Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's drink recipe is on this chocolate milkshake. Let me introduce you to the ingredients. Chocolate flavored ice cream, chocolate cookies. For the liquid base, I'm using chocolate soy milk. I like to start off with my liquids first, so add your chocolate milk to your blender, then scoop a portion of the ice cream into your blender. And finally, you can add your cookies. You're free to add sugar or honey if you want, just add to your taste. And just blend. I upload new videos every week, so do well to subscribe to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.